Okay, it found its way to kitchen. Hey guys, Samsung had this JetBot Plus vacuum fan on sale this weekend. Usually cost $800 each, and this weekend they had it on sale for $215 plus tax. I got two. This model is without AI. What is that? It's quite fancy. Anyway. That's the vacuum bag. Magnetic tape to set the boundaries. Okay, that's your base station. So here is everything came in the box. That's your dust collector. That's your magnetic tape, power cord, and one spare brush, filter, your bag, vacuum manuals, and here is the vacuum cleaner. Okay, here's the vacuum cleaner. Soft brush roller, but it's interesting, it comes with only one brush. All my other units, my cheap debot units, comes with two brush. This one comes with only one brush. That's like huge wheel though. Let's open this guy. That's a tiny bin. Can you open it? Yeah, it's really small bin. That's your second bag. Okay, there it is charging, and here is my old debot. I think I paid like $100 for this one. Let's go to SmartThings app. Go to devices, add, scan. Okay, there it is. Add. I guess that's connected.
Please press the returning button
The
to
home
confirm.
button.
Successfully connected. Enjoy all the features of SmartThings.
Okay, so for the LIDAR mapping, we have two options. One, it says just keep the vacuum in the middle of the room, so it will map it out without cleaning. The second option is let it map while it's cleaning. I'm gonna let it finish charging first. Okay.
Starting to clean everywhere, including no-go zones.
That's loud. Louder than debut. Look what it has mapped so far. And see those white lines? That's how it's moving back and forth. So that's interesting. Okay, so I'm in my smart devices app, living room. I'm gonna launch vacuum clean, and I just want to clean kitchen. So I'm gonna unselect all that. So nothing is selected, just the kitchen. Start. Hopefully it goes to kitchen. Okay, it found its way to kitchen. Okay, so here are my three vacuums. These two are debot. These are all like $100. This one has the mopping facility, and that's the Samsung. And if you look at this one, the cheaper ones have like two brushes, kind of worn out, compared to this guy has only one brush. Soft brush roller though. Let's compare the noise level. Stop. Okay, let's turn on that guy.
Starting the clean.
Stop.
Cleaning task cancelled.
Start that guy. See that? That's really noisy. Okay, let's simulate some dirt and dust. So my wife sees me, she's gonna yell at me. Okay, you can't really see the rice. Okay, start. Stop, don't eat. No.
My
Can you come on, come here.
best vacuum cleaner.
Okay, he's our best vacuum cleaner. Come on, start. Okay, he took everything there. Can you stop? Can you? Okay, like oh. Okay. Stop there.
Cleaning task cancelled.
Look, took everything. Well, most of it. So when it goes back and forth, it should pick it up. I will show the bin once it's done. Let's see how much dirt it has before it gets suctioned off by the bin. There it is. There is a lot of dirt. This does work, except that it's just noisy. So if you have money and you want a branded one with all that bin and mapping facility and LiDAR and all that stuff, go with the Samsung. If not, you can stick with the basic D-bot ones, which is like $100. That should do the same job. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.